Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, big up respect and manners to each and every one. Yeah, just certain things I want to talk to you about in this video, viewers and subscribers. So, let me start off with some information that I got about certain things that happened within St. Lucia, viewers and subscribers. Yes, St. Lucia. Yeah, I'm talking about St. Lucia. See, so I got information that 7 persons had been killed within days of violence in St. Lucia. And based on information that I got, allegedly it is said that some of those persons was killed a certain amount of hours apart in the viewers and subscribers. Based on information that I got, it is said that the town or the area where certain violence happened, viewers and subscribers, have been reduced to a ghost town because of violence within that area. See, so based on information that I got, viewers and subscribers, the violence affected business places and schools, even customers, viewers and subscribers, citizens, residents, however you name it, but the violence are going bad within that area in St. Lucia. Alright, so listen. Now, the video that you're looking at on your screen, viewers and subscribers, shows some things that happened at the scene of where one person had been shot and killed in the country that is known as St. Lucia. And it is said that police had launched an investigation into that situation. So, the first information that I got are the first killings that I got information about pertaining to this whole situation is that 2 men and a woman was shot and killed, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that sometime after that, in what is said to be a separate incident, a child had been injured in the viewers and subscribers. Didn't get any specific details as to how the child had been injured, but it is said that a child had been injured. You understand? Now, please bear in mind, that this is said to be a situation of days of violence in the viewers and subscribers. You understand me? But the information that we get is somewhat sketchy. Can't tell exactly when the violence start, but we got unconfirmed information about Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and so on, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? But anyways, listen. So it is said that certain amount of time after the child had been injured, viewers and subscribers, police confirmed that 2 persons was shot and killed within an area in St. Lucia. It is said that several spent shells were recovered at the scene of the incident where those 2 persons had been shot and killed, viewers and subscribers. And I also got some form of unconfirmed information about West Side or so forth. Anyway, so according to more information that I got, it is said that sometime after that, another person was shot more than 1 time, viewers and subscribers. See? And it is said that sometime after that, that person was pronounced dead. And then after, I got more information about another incident where it is said that a person was shot multiple times, viewers and subscribers. I also saw a video on social media that shows the Prime Minister of St. Lucia, Mr. Pierre, talking about the situation and giving certain details pertaining to the whole situation itself, viewers and subscribers. I also got information that Commissioner of Police in St. Lucia also gave some form of speech or said certain things about the whole situation. And the situation is considered as gang violence, viewers and subscribers. You understand? And the whole entire thing have police leaving from crime scene to crime scene for days, viewers and subscribers. And to make it very clear, the place most mentioned about the whole violence in St. Lucia is a place that I think they call a View Fort. You understand? Yeah, I think View Fort. Now, my people, it's not just men alone that have been shot and killed when it comes on to the whole violent situation. May get information about one of those persons who have been shot and killed, said to be a female, a mother of a certain amount of children, viewers and subscribers. And I also got unconfirmed information that persons who have been shot and killed, some of them might be associated with 1 or maybe more than 1 persons who might be either in a gang or associated with gang member or members. But that's unconfirmed information to my knowledge. Saying, because when it comes down to certain things like this, there are going to be speculations. There are going to be speculations and also assumptions and accusations and allegations. So you have to be careful what you hear and believe. So all of them things that me thinking, viewers and subscribers, and at one point when me first get the first information about the first set of things where them say happen, me I said to myself, say, you know what? Maybe this will calm down after a time. But then me start to hear about another one. And then another. And then I said to myself, say, no man. So me decide, say, me I go make you, my viewers and subscribers, have some form of understanding as to certain information that I will put out there about what's going on in St. Lucia and them things. And my people, I know some people might say, oh, that's not my country and I'm not from there, so that not affect me. Well, let me tell you something. It doesn't matter where you are from in the world. Some of the times, certain things that happen in certain country might and can also affect what's going on in your country. You see what I say? So nothing wrong with knowing certain information about what's going on in other countries out there worldwide. You understand me? But it's really sad. Really sad for you, Wagwan. I hope that this whole thing calm down after a time, people. So big up to all of my Caribbean people, man. Tell me what you think about a situation like that, Next topic. I got information that a 3-year-old girl shot and killed her own sister, viewers and subscribers. See? And based on information that I got, it is said that this happened within Texas, United States of America. So it is said that a 3-year-old fatally wounded her 4-year-old sister in an unintentional shooting in Texas, USA. So may I say? So according to information that I got, it is said that a law enforcer called the incident tragic but preventable, viewers and subscribers. And listen why now. And listen to the information good. A law enforcer said that 5 adults are a group of adults and the 2 children were hanging out inside of an apartment. And this happened on Sunday. See? So it is said that at one point, the children were unsupervised. Viewers and subscribers don't have information as to exactly where the children were at in the house or the apartment. You see me? A bedroom had been mentioned at one point to my knowledge. However, so based on more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that because each parent thought the other was watching the 2 children, them viewers and subscribers, it is said that at some point they were unsupervised. You see me? And it is said that the 3-year-old got hold of a loaded gun. Then at some point the family heard an explosion, viewers and subscribers, and ran into a room where they found the 4-year-old child unresponsive on the floor. The family or persons who was at that location heard an explosion, and a certain amount of them run to a room or went inside of a room to see what was going on, basically. And that's when the 4-year-old child was found unresponsive, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that it just seems like another tragic story of another child gaining access to a firearm and hurting someone else, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, and it is said that a law enforcer or a sheriff said that the investigation is ongoing and noted that in situations like this, it is very likely that someone faces charges for failing to secure the weapon of viewers and subscribers. See? That's what I think about now, viewers and subscribers. Who's the owner for the gun? How did the child somehow get a hold of the gun? And is that gun a legal firearm on top of it? Even though all of them things there still not gonna help a situation like this with done gone bad, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? It's really sad. I know what I mean, and to know that a child who not even or might not even realize certain circumstances of what happened. You know what I mean? That's another thing again, viewers and subscribers. I mean, there are so many things I think about when it comes down to a situation like this. I don't have to really and truly say much more about this whole situation. Really sad. And let me know what you think. Until next time, my name is Dancehall. Skilla. Big up.